Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So today's video is another wonderful cooking recipe. Yeah, so guys, are you craving for KFC chicken, for that crispy KFC chicken? You know, we all know that, you know, every place is closed now. There's no McDonald's, there's no KFC, there's no Burger King. So just try and make something at home that will always remind you of that kind of taste. I am going to be showing you guys my easy peasy recipe with simple ingredients on how I make my KFC chicken at home. So I'm going to be taking you guys over there and I will be introducing you guys to our ingredients for today. Please come on board. Let's get started. This is our ingredients for today. We have 1 big chicken, we have 3 eggs, we have 2 onions, my Maggi, milk, normal full fat milk. For seasoning, you can use whatever seasoning you prefer. I'm going to be using this Nigerian mix seasoning, thyme, salt, curry, and a bit of garlic, a pinch of Nigerian dry chili. For sauce, I'm going to be using mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, ketchup, and I am going to be using plain flour. In here I have celery, carrot, and 1 onions. So we're going to start slicing everything. I'm going to start slicing my chicken first. Have washed my chicken already. So guys, I am done cutting my chicken. Yeah, I am going to start mixing my egg. So I'm going to break the egg. After breaking my egg, I'm going to add some ingredients inside the egg. I'm going to add 2 Maggi, a bit of thyme, and all these ingredients can be changed. Whatever mix seasoning you like to use, do it, girl. You know, just because I am a Nigerian, I love to use Nigerian seasoning. So I'm going to add Nigerian mix seasoning. I'm going to add a bit of curry. I'm going to add salt, Nigerian dry chili, and I'm going to add milk, and I will mix everything together. I'm going to pour it in the chicken. I forgot to add garlic. I will add the garlic in my flour. Now I'm going to mix. Okay, I'm going to cover and set this aside for like 20 to 30 minutes. You can set it aside for longer, but I am going to set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands. So with the remaining egg mix, I am going to cut my 2 onions inside it, and I'm basically going to slice them like this, round. and I will also set that aside. So now guys, I'm going to add all my ingredients inside my flour as well. So I have 1 Maggi left. I used 2 for the chicken. I'm going to add the 1 Maggi in here. I'm going to add a bit of salt. I'm going to add a bit of mixed seasoning, a bit of curry, a bit of thyme, a bit of dry chili, some garlic. So I am going to also leave that aside until it is time to fry the chicken. So now guys, I am going to mix our sauce. So I'm going to mix this and leave it in the fridge until we are ready to use it. I'm going to add mayonnaise. I'm going to add sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to add ketchup. And you can use any sauce that you like, you know, any sauce that you like you can use. So I am going to cover this sauce and leave it in the fridge. So that is the sauce. So guys, it is time to cut our carrot and lettuce. So I'm going to slice everything. So guys, I am done slicing my carrot, lettuce and onions. I am going to add a bit of mayo. And I am going to mix. So I'm going to put this in the fridge until it is time for us to use it. So guys, it is now 30 minutes since I put the chicken in the egg mix. I am going to, start dipping it in the flour. So I'm gonna just take the chicken, get it drown in the egg mix very well, and then lift it up and dip it in the flour. So cover it like that, dip it very well, dip it all around. I'm gonna get another one. So I am gonna do the same to all the chickens. I'm gonna dip all of them in the flour and set them aside for frying. So guys, I am done dipping my chicken and my onions in a flour mix. I am going to start frying my chicken now. So guys, over here is our mini pot. I am going to add some oil in our mini pot. I am using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to add oil now. Just enough oil that will allow us to fry the chicken. I'm going to put the stove on and I'm going to allow our oil to heat up before we start frying. So guys, our oil is hot now. It is time for me to start adding in our chicken. I forgot to mention, I am not going to cook this chicken on the hot oil 100%. I'm going to cook it maybe 70%, and the remaining 30% will be in the oven. So I'm gonna cook it, but I'm not gonna allow it to be too done, and then I'll stick it in the oven for like another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. guys, we are going to be taking the chicken out from the oil. Remember, I do not want to cook it in the oil until it's done, so I am actually aiming for this. So this is what I am aiming for, to get it this crispy. You see that it is very crispy. So I'm going to take it out of the stove now. So guys, I am basically going to fry all my chicken, and yes, this is the process we are in, frying all our chicken. So guys, this is our chicken. I am done frying it. I am going to add this chicken inside the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. It is almost done, right? But I usually put it inside the oven. If you don't want to do the oven part, you can seriously fry your chicken until it's done. But yes, I am going to put it inside the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now guys, while I am waiting for my chicken, I am going to fry my onions. I'm just gonna put the onions inside there. This is like about 10 minutes. I put the chicken in the oven because I like to fry my onions last, so it can still be hot when the chicken is done. So guys, it is time to take out our onions. So that is our onions. So guys, this is our chicken. It is out from the oven. Yes, and look at that golden brown. Oh my days, I can't wait to dive in. I can't explain to you how the aroma in here is. The aroma in here is super yum. So our chicken is out, everything is ready, so it is time. And that is our onions as well. So I'm going to dish some out in the plate. So over here I have put in my salad, my sauce, and I'm going to add my chicken and onions. So I'm going to add chicken, and I'm going to add some crispy onions. So guys, this is the plate of our yummy food. Let me rotate it around. You see what is going on here? So that is our yummy plate. This food is ready guys. It is ready. If you are dying for KFC chicken and all that good stuff, yeah, you can make this one at home for you and your kid. My kid is behind me telling me to hurry up because they want to dive in. Anyway guys, this is where this lovely recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. This chicken looks so delish and looks so crispy. Like, I can't wait to literally dive in. The aroma in here is 100% lit. Yes. And I can tell you that my kids cannot wait to dive in as well. Okay, so yes, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a try and tell me what you think about it. And yeah, this is where today's recipe is going to end guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.